Good day, travel advisors, and welcome to the MSC Book Quick User Guide for the Travel Advisor Free Cruise and the Travel Advisor 50% Off Friends and Family Booking Process. We're going to go through some easy steps for you to book your Travel Advisor Free Cruise and the 50% off for friends and family. Step 1. Be sure your agency is registered with MSC Cruises and you have an MSC Cruises US ID number. If the agency is not registered, the agency owner will need to register by calling our sales support team at 866-672-0862. Step 2. Be sure you have MSCBook.com credentials. If you or your agency is registered with MSC Cruises, but you do not have an MSCBook.com credential, you can request access by going to your administrator, who is typically the agency owner or manager, for them to add you via MSCBook.com. If you are the agency owner or manager and are not registered with MSC Book, you can register your agency by clicking Register Your Agency on the login page and completing the form and clicking Send Request. I'll show you this now. Log in, register your agency, scroll down, enter all the mandatory fields, and hit Send Request. So now we'll proceed with step 3. Once you have your MSC Cruises US ID and you have the MSCBook.com credentials, you can log in. So here we are in the main screen. We'll search for our cruise here under Quick Overview. We'll scroll down, and under any destination, the applicable destination is the Caribbean. So we'll select that. The ships that are applicable are MSC Divina, MSC Meraviglia, and MSC Seashore. For this demonstration, we'll pick MSC Divina. We're going to select our month. The applicable promotion for the free cruise and the 50% off are July 2nd through October 29th. So we can select any sailing from July, August, September, or October. For this demonstration, we'll pick September. We'll select Search Cruises, and it'll provide us all the cruises found and the different itineraries. I know that I want a 4-night sailing, so I can actually scroll back up and select any duration and pick 1 through 5. So I can see my 4-night sailings that I'm interested in. So here, now we have 5 cruises, 4 itineraries. There's a 3-night, a 4-night, another 3-night, and another 3-night. So I'm going to go up to the 4-night. And here I can see the itinerary just by clicking here. And it has the overnight in Ocean Key, MSC Marine Reserve, which I'm super excited about. And then it has the different dates. I'm actually going to pick the 25th. And once it's in dark blue, that means I've selected it. And then we'll go over here to Book Now. I do want to remind everyone that your booking must be booked at least 7 days prior to the cruise departure. And please submit it as well. And you must book and submit your booking number via the link Monday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time through Friday, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. So again, your free cruise and your 50% off friends and family must be booked at least 7 days prior to the cruise departure, and it must be submitted Monday, 9 a.m. Eastern Time through Friday, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. This will allow MSC Cruises time to zero out the cruise fare and the NCFs and provide enough time to send you the booking confirmation and for you to pay the GFTs without the booking canceling. Okay. So we're on to step 4. We're going to select the number of guests. This program or promotion is for double occupancy only. So you can have 2 adults, as we have here. You can have 1 adult, 1 child, 1 adult, 1 kid, or 1 adult, 1 infant. For demonstration purposes, we're going to have 2 adults. If a second stateroom is needed, a reminder that you are eligible to book up to 5 additional staterooms for 50% off on the same ship and sail date that you will be sailing on. So once we have our double occupancy, 2 adults selected, we'll go to confirm and proceed. So our next step is step 5. We're going to select the proper promotion or offer that we need to for this travel advisor free cruise, or the 50% off for friends and family, which is the Escape to Sea cruise only. You must select Escape to Sea cruise only, or we will not be able to zero out the cruise fare and the NCF. You cannot select any other offer that is listed. You must select the Escape to Sea cruise only. Once it's dark blue, it has been selected. So we'll go ahead and scroll down and look for our applicable categories that we can book with this program or promotion. The categories that are applicable are Balcony Fantastica down to the Interior Bella. So we have quite a few options here. I'm going to choose the Fantastica balcony of BL3. It seems to be the highest category available, so why not? Once you select that, it will scroll down automatically, showing you the cruise fare, the GFTs, and the NCFs. Again, MSC Cruises, once this is submitted, will remove the cruise fare and the NCFs. You will be responsible for the GFTs. Do not pay the GFTs until we zero out the cruise fare and NCF and you receive a booking confirmation from MSC Cruises. At that time, you can pay the GFTs. If you have paid anything prior to submitting the booking, we will not be able to zero out the cruise fare and the NCF. So once that is selected, you'll scroll down and click on Confirm Stateroom. Okay, so the program automatically will select a stateroom for you and a deck. You can go ahead and click Change Stateroom to see if there's anything else available, and it will show you where your stateroom is located. Here you are, or here I am. So if you want to look to see if there's a different deck, which there is, or a different stateroom that may be in a location that you prefer, we'll select here 13118, confirm that stateroom. And if you want to look where it is located, you can click on Change Stateroom once again, and you can see where your stateroom now is. It's this blue 3118, more midship. Sounds perfect. Okay, so that's been confirmed. So we just simply scroll down and we hit Quick Option. We're going to hit quick Option versus Proceed, because Proceed will take us to other areas that we actually do not want to go through at this point. We want to remain in option status so MSC Cruises can zero out the cruise fare and the NCFs. So we need to click on Quick Option. So now we're going to step 6, where we're going to add passenger information. You'll see also what's coming up in this area is if you would like to add travel protection plan with coverage for COVID-19. If you would like to add it, you can simply click here. If you do not want to add it, you can just leave it alone to the left, or if you've clicked it and you don't want it, just re-click it. So to add the passenger details, we're going to go over here to this little arrow and click it. This will take us to passenger 1. We'll add passenger 1 information. Add a birthday. And in passenger 1, there is the mandatory data to issue e-tickets. You can enter this information now, or you can enter it after you pay your GFTs. But what you do have to enter now is your dining preference. So you just scroll down, if you saw where I did that, right here, under mandatory data to issue e-tickets, and just select early or late. I'm going to select early. Again, you can enter all the information now if you so choose to. I'm not going to for purposes of this demonstration. Once I've entered the dining, I'm going to hit next. It is asking now for passenger 2 data. Once that's entered, we are going to hit quick option. It's confirming that I did not select insurance. I'll confirm that. And now we have our option booking. You'll see it right up here. I would recommend for you to write down your booking number because you will need that for several steps to submit the booking, as well as when you receive your confirmation to pay for the booking. So go ahead and write that number down. Once you had made your booking in MSC Book, you will go through the link and fill out this information that we'll go through now. Once you click on the link, which is provided on mscbook.com, you will arrive at this page. It will give you some information about the promotion, and then it'll ask some questions. I do want to remind you to please submit the booking the same day you make the booking. And please submit it Monday, 9 a.m. Eastern Time through Friday, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. This will allow us enough time to zero out the cruise fare and the NCFs without the booking canceling. Again, please book and submit in the same day and do this between Monday, 9 a.m. Eastern Time through Friday, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, the first question is this request to reinstate an expired option booking? I'm hoping nobody will answer yes to this, but if you do answer yes, it will bypass a few questions that are needed for a first-time booking. So we're going to hit, is this a request for an expired option? We're going to hit no. The next question is, which type of promotion is it? A travel advisor free cruise or the 50% off? This is a travel advisor free cruise. Who is your MSC cruise representative? If you're not sure, there is a selection. If you want to go to mscbook.com and find out who your MSC Cruises representative is, you can certainly do that. And if you hopefully know your MSC Cruises representative, you can select that here. I'm going to pick Lucy Schnorbush. Add your agency name, your agency ID, which starts with a US, and then it's 6 numbers. We all have a unique US ID. Every agency has a unique agency ID. And then you'll add your booking number. Your name, the travel advisor, your last name of the travel advisor. The travel advisor's phone number, and the travel advisor's email. We need the travel advisor's email because this is where we're going to send the booking confirmation. And if there's any questions we have in regards to the booking submitted, we know that we need to reach out to the travel advisor. So this is very important information and does need to be accurate. Once that's filled out, we'll hit next. And then, of course, this is providing a few more pieces of information. If you do have questions, you can certainly reach out to your MSC Cruises sales representative. And once you do receive the final confirmation from MSC Cruises, once your cruise fare and NCFs have been zeroed out, you will be directed to pay the GFTs remaining on the booking, and that does need to be paid that same day via MSC Book. Please do not call MSC Cruises directly, as you will be redirected to go to mscbook.com or to refer to your MSC Cruises sales representative. So once we have read, we simply click Submit. So the MSC Cruises team will work on that and provide you with the booking confirmation. Step 8. Once confirmed and the cruise fare and NCFs have been removed, you'll receive this email. Your booking confirmation is here, and you'll receive a booking option PDF, which you can open it to verify the cruise fare and the NCFs have been removed, and it will show guest 1, amount due, GFTs, government fees and taxes, and passenger 2, 110 government fees and taxes. Each ship sail date itinerary will be a little bit different on the amount due depending upon the length and what ports they're visiting. So we're going to go manage this and pay for the GFTs in MSC Book. We'll log back into MSC Book. We're going to manage the booking. So under Quick Overview, we'll enter the booking number, manage booking, and there it is. So what we want to do here is complete the payment. So you'll click on complete payment, and you will enter in the information. Credit card is basically the type. So credit card is selected already there for you. You'll select what type of credit card, and then you'll put in the amount due, which is listed above at $220 for this particular demonstration. And then you'll put your name on your card, etc., the required information, and hit confirm. It may take a few seconds for it to confirm and verify all the information. And then once it's done, we'll go on to step 9. So step 9, if you want to continue to add to your booking, you can do so. So we can pretend that this is paid. I did not put in a confirmation. I did not put in a credit card. And we can go back here. But you can, at this time, add ancillary items. And you can do that by going down here and adding additional services. Again, once you add those, you can certainly pay for them once again. You'll have to pay. The reason why I'm asking you to complete the payment for the GFTs is so the booking does not cancel. If you do not pay the GFTs, the booking will remain in option status and it could cancel. Hence, we'll have to do the process once again, submit the booking, and then we'll have to reinstate it. So if you please enter or complete the payment for the GFTs and then go ahead and add any ancillary items. So step 10, you'll go in here once you want to retrieve the e-tickets. You can do that here in MSC Book by going to, I went back to the main screen. You can always click MSC Book up at the top to get back to the main screen. Hover over the word booking. You'll see over here under before departure, e-ticket. Once you've added all the mandatory information, you can enter the booking number and hit search and it will appear. Mine is not because I did not finish paying and I did not enter the mandatory information. But that is how you can get your e-documents. You can also go to msccruisesusa.com under Manage Booking, Web Check-in, and you can finalize all the information there and retrieve your e-documents within 20 days of sailing. Thank you so much, and I hope to see your booking soon. Have a great day.